All right, so we created the lose screen in the last tutorial. Let's create the win screen. So we're gonna open up this scenes folder, okay? And we are going to control click and say create scene. And let's call this one Doodle Win, okay? And let's simply make sure you have this scene saved first. And then let's double click Doodle Win. Okay, let's kind of do what we did last time. We could set the color, maybe, whoops, I forgot to do something. Solid color. Maybe you want a different color. Maybe you want green as your background for the windscreen or something. I don't know. Or blue, whatever color you feel like is your windscreen color. Or it could be black. And then let's go ahead and do the control UI Text Mesh Pro. We're going to say you win. You are a winner. Okay, and let's center that, and let's click here and option click, and let's make the font size 120. Ooh, best auto size. And I guess I will need to resize this here maybe. Okay, and oh, max size. I don't know why max size went. I had it set at 120, right? So you are a winner. Anyway, and then you know, and if you wanted to do something like create empty and then put the sprite renderer on there, set this to like 0 tab, 0 tab, 0 tab, and pick one of those happy faces, something like that, and raise the position up, say, ooh, 10's too much, I guess, to maybe 4, and then scale that up to maybe 4. Oops, I don't know how I goofed that up, but anyway, yeah, 4's too big. So let's go 3, tab 3. Okay, you are a winner. Okay, so now let's go File, Build Settings, and let's add this scene. So add open scenes. So we have Doodle Lose and Doodle Win in there now. So we could save this. Make sure you go File, Save. And now we go back to our Doodle clone, right? And let's alter the code one more time. And so I'm going to go into my, open up this script here. And so real simple. We just have to go, I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to change some things. So if the y is greater than, I'm just going to change it to like 10. And then we're going to say go to Doodle Win. Pretty easy, right? And okay, because we already did all the hard work of putting this scene management in there, and then so now we could just say if the ball's transform is greater than, if its y coordinate is greater than 10, where does it start? It starts at 0, and so we have to go up to 10. So let's see if we can make it. Okay, get over to here. 9, 10, made it to 11. You are a winner. Okay, great. So, you know, there's a lot you can do with this. You could take it as far as you want from here. If you want, you could, you know, rearrange, play with your the positioning of all these platforms and move them around and maybe make them smaller or bigger, whatever. You could zoom the camera out further if you'd like to do that. You could set it. Let's see if we change it to like 15, what that does. Makes everything look smaller. Maybe that's better. Maybe you don't like it that way, you know. So what I did there is I just took camera and I set its z coordinate to -20. It started at 10, -10, and you know, so you could just kind of dress the game up the way you see fit. And one last thing. I wanted to show you guys how to, if the platform script. So I'm going to open up the platform script. Last thing for this tutorial. So I looked in here, and you could just, obviously you could type it. You don't have to go to the site and copy it. But this is how you can destroy a great game object. So what I thought might be a fun thing to try out is in the platform script, when the ball hits the platform, it actually destroys the platform making the game more challenging. Maybe you don't want that, maybe you do, but I want you to see how that could look and how you could do that. And so now it's a little bit more challenging because you have to hit the platforms, or else, or once if you don't go over far enough, the platforms are now gone and you'll fall and lose. Okay, so have fun doing that. You could put that code in there on the platform script and see how challenging you can make your game. Okay, have fun.